Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share and also a sneak peek of the new August Coco and Reno dies. As you guys know, I designed for Coco and Reno, and they just put out the new ones, a sneak peek basically, because they're not out yet, a sneak peek of the new dies for August, and they are adorable, you guys. So if you want to receive these dies for the month of August, you need to be signed up by July 31st. So I'll have all the information linked down below, so you guys can definitely go check that out. And if you don't know what Coco and Reno is, they are a monthly subscription for dies. So you get a set of dies monthly for, I think it's a flat rate of $12.99 a month. Don't quote me on that, but I'll have it linked down below. Definitely go check it out. Definitely worth the price. Each month has a set of dies, and you get these cute little baggies, you guys. I love how she's been changing them up. This was the first one. Then there was this pink like little velvet one. And you guys, the one for August is this super cute one with the logo on it. I absolutely love it. So pretty. But you guys, let me show you the dies for August. They are called fold toppers, and they are so cute. So I'm going to take out all the little dies so you can see them, and then I'll give you guys examples of what I made. So we have this one right here, and this one says inspire. Super cute. Then we have this one that says today. This one says lovely. This one is just like a cute little bow. This one says hello. And you get all these dies, you guys. And this one says explore. This one says notes. This one says dream. And then this one is just like a little banner one. Isn't that adorable? I think this is the only one that I didn't cut, I think. But let me show you guys what they look like. So here's my little tray of yumminess. And this one is the dream one. Look how cute, you guys. I did a lot of layering. You guys know I love me some layering, but that is the actual die. The little bag topper, you see that in the back? It folds over. So I did tons of layering, and I have like 3 layers of doilies here. So the bag topper opens up like this and goes over the bag, as you can see. So I have 3 doilies. We have the white one, and then we have a colored pink one, and then a cardstock one, which, if you guys want to know what die that is, it's also a Coco and Reno die. And it was from a few months back, and it was their lace dies. Oops, their lace dies. And it's this one right here, this doily die, but you can use any doily die to do that. I'm not sure if this one is still available, but this is the die that I used to make the top layer right here. And then I did some embellishing with some ribbon from Hobby Lobby, some stickers from Maggie Holmes, these cute little butterflies that I found in my stash, and some enamel dots. And then the little word dream just pops out from the top. And of course, there's stitching. You guys know I love to stitch on my projects. So here's the first one. This one is the one that says lovely. Look how cute. And this one, I purposely left it without embellishing so that you guys can actually see the little folded bag topper. And that's how it looks like on both sides. Super cute. And as you can see here, there's only 2 doilies. So we have the little regular doily, and that's just the ones that I hauled, you guys. I used those, or if not, I used the ones that I had picked up from Michael's, that I have a bunch. I'm sure we all have doilies in our stash. And then this is the one that I cut with the die that's right here. So they're super easy to make. You don't have to stitch them. I just choose to do that because I like the extra touch on them. So there's that one. Then we have this one that says inspire. I love the little peeking of the word on the top. So cute. This one is also super embellished, and I did a little bit of a zigzag stitch. We got some little chipboard, some flower embellishments, enamel dots, a doily on the bottom as well, and the cardstock one, and they open up like this, and you could stick your little baggie in there and send some goodies in a little bag. Oops, look at that. Isn't that cute? I love these little bag toppers. They're adorable. This is the one that says today. And this one I didn't embellish as much as well either, so that you can see it. So that's that one. Then we have this one right here, and this one also has 3 doilies, and this is one of the real big ones from Maggie Holmes, I think it is. And then we have a mint green one and another cardstock one, some chipboard, and this is a little bow one, as you guys can see. Is that not fun, just to do like extra layering on bag toppers? I absolutely love it. Look at this one that says hello. Stitching, double doilies, some little flowers. Super cute. And that's the back. Open it up. Put your little bag in there, and there you have yourself a cute little bag topper. And then the last one, I used a bigger style doily, which is these kind right here, and they're just a little bit bigger than your regular size. And I did 3 layers. I did one of the colorful ones, the cardstock one, and this is just for a bigger size bag. And then you could put it right in there. And you got some little flower details. This one says explore. Look at that. Little butterfly, little word phrase. Super cute, you guys. So if you are interested in picking up these little bag toppers, definitely sign up before July 31st so you can get your hands on them. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.